Hello, it's Maggie and Cody here. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're just going to share something super simple. I've talked about it several times on my Facebook and in different groups, but I don't think people really understand the magic of this tea and how simple it can be. So, basically it's a tea with banana, like a real whole banana that we've washed, and I add an extra little bit of lavender. The tea is ideal for whenever you want to relax. It really lets the body relax. It gets you ready for a deep sleep. Also, the length of your sleep will probably be longer. So if you're someone that tosses and turns, this can be the perfect tea. I know with this little guy, I'm up a lot in the night, and my sleep can be deeper faster when I'm drinking this tea. Also, my body feels better. So if you're sore, this is a great tea. I know I used to be a soccer player, and after games they'd always say eat a banana so you're not sore. In the same way, this tea can be really helpful. So, let's get to it. You take a banana. I've already washed mine. You don't have to wash it if you want to use the banana with no peel. With a peel on, the tea will be sweeter, and I'm a sucker for sweet. So, this is a washed banana cut. I put it in there. I need my hot water. It's already made warm. Pour this in. The tea is totally ready. You just would let it stew. You'd let it sit there for a few minutes just like you would normal tea, so you get more of the benefits. Basically, it's the potassium and some other great things. I'll drop the article below that are in the banana that make it this sleepy time recipe. With the essential oil, this is like my addition. I'm putting different essential oils, fennel, cinnamon, this will be lavender, in my teas. These are super strong. I'm using doTERRA. You need a high grade oil so that you can eat it, but basically you don't even pour a drop in. That would be way overkill. I just put the toothpick in and stir it around. You can also make the toothpick like this. You'll see the oils on the toothpick. I put it in there and just stir it around. So now I have the benefits from the banana and also that restful, calming, peaceful effects of the lavender tea. The same you get if you diffuse it or smell lavender. You get those when you ingest it. So my tea is ready. If you're someone that likes, I don't know, extra sweet or milk or something in your tea, you could add it, but basically this is ready to go. You can eat the banana after. Some people think you shouldn't eat bananas late at night, but that's up to you. And yeah, let's have a taste, Cody. It's maybe too hot for you. It's pretty hot still. The banana needs a little bit longer, so I would say 5 minutes. And the lavender is definitely strong. So really just use the toothpick method. Do not put a whole drop in. Drop in the comments below if you try this and see if you notice a difference. If you're someone out there doing sports and you're often feeling sore, try this and honestly see if your muscles feel any ease, or if you're someone that's tossing and turning, see if your sleep is better. Awesome! If you like Maggie and Cody in the kitchen, let me know other recipes you're interested in or other teas. Have a nice rest of your day, and if it's nighttime, have a nice sleep after drinking this tea. Bye!
Yeah, there was a treatment here.
Good job.